Candrone has recently undertaken an innovative project that utilizes LiDAR drone technology to mitigate wildfire risks in British Columbia. This project is driven by the pressing need to address the escalating threat of wildfires in the province, particularly in the areas where forests intersect with urban structures. By integrating light detection and ranging on drones, called LiDAR, with the guidance provided in the Fire Smart Begins at Home guide, Candrone aims to equip municipalities with advanced tools and insights to better manage these wildland-urban interfaces. Through this project, Candrone seeks to demonstrate the practical utility of LiDAR technology to enhance wildfire management efforts and safeguard communities against the ever-present risk of wildfires. The data collected by Candrone will enable stakeholders to determine compliance with tree and yard spacing, as well as to identify stands that elevate the risk of structural fire. Additionally, the data will allow wildfire authorities to digitally model and plan vegetation removal or tree thinning at the boundaries of forests. And finally, wildfire authorities can monitor vegetation regrowth with subsequent scans following fire smart treatments. Flying at heights that render the DJI M350 drone barely visible from the ground, the L2 LiDAR sensor collects highly detailed data points, providing an incredible level of detail of the forest. And this enables precise identification of hazardous trees with dense vegetation. The M350 drone can cover up to 20 hectares on a single flight, making it perfect for covering large areas in a single flight. Our team executed the mission from a residential lot, and with this compact setup, we collected LiDAR data that traditionally required the use of helicopter or planes. With the data in hand, the next step was classification. The Candrone data processing team isolated residential structures to create home ignition priority zones. These are based on the Fire Smart Begins at Home guide, and they help determine critical areas where the compliance with fire safety measures is critical. Through software, we visualize these zones with clear color coding, with red for the immediate zones, yellow for the intermediate, and green for the extended zones. This simple yet effective method identifies where vegetation encroaches on buildings, increasing the risk of ignition. By modeling forest thinning practices in the software, we can plan effective treatment before entering the field. This sophisticated approach prioritizes which trees to remove to uphold the Fire Smart practices. Each tree is assigned an ID, and metrics like crown diameter are stored in the software. This data aids in the digital removal of trees from the LiDAR dataset, essentially providing a virtual test ground for real-world solutions. Through this project, we've showcased how LiDAR technology can effectively address fire risks within the wildland-urban interface by utilizing drone-based LiDAR and affordable data processing software. Candrone has developed a practical method for identifying home ignition zones and addressing vegetation metrics in residential areas. We've created a method for identifying trees of concern within these zones and for digital tree thinning treatments. Notably, our approach has provided detailed information over large areas in just a few hours. While our workflow serves as a basic demonstration, it can be further customized to meet the specific needs of communities and regional districts across British Columbia. If you are seeking wildfire drone solutions, please contact our team today.